a custom-built edge-lit LED sign with the bigclive.com logo that was kindly made for me by Tom. And he's made this entirely out of standard eBay modules and 3D printed material and laser etched plastic. And it's got the remote control of it, so you can control the colour. You can go red, green, blue, and all the sort of range of colours in between, and also have the sort of colour changing effects as well. So very versatile, quite neat. Let's take a closer look at this and see what's inside. So the unit runs off a USB power supply, and if you slip the plastic out, it's got 3 LEDs down inside based on LED tape, and I'm wondering how we actually lined those up to keep them perfectly aligned, because they are. It really is very accurately aligned with the edge of the plastic. It looks pretty good. It's also got a little port here, just the right shape and size for the infrared detector. It's very smart, nicely made indeed. That's also very rigid. It doesn't offer much slop. It goes in quite neatly. I wonder how much development and prototyping was involved in this. It's also notable the top is extremely flat. I think he said something about putting a layer of PVA or something down to create that really smooth finish. Not sure. It's very good. This is at the moment plugged into a cheapo USB power supply. It doesn't really draw that much current. That'll depend on how many LEDs you've got lit. So let's unscrew this. I presume this is okay. I didn't actually ask Tom if I could open it. But let's open it anyway. What are we expecting? We're expecting those generic modules. The LED tape will, since it's running off USB, it'll be the standard. The stuff you get for the back of your telly, the sort of ambient glow stuff. Oops. Right. So what we've got, and that's how we aligned it up. It's perfectly aligned channel. So this is just cut to length, and then a strip of 3 LEDs laid in. That's quite smart, isn't it? And he's tacked onto one of the fairly standard little modules you can buy from eBay for that effect, that has the infrared sensor built on, bit of heat shrink sleeving, and this sort of USB cable going in. That's very smart. I like that. I wonder if this is something Tom designed from scratch himself, or if it's a sort of Thingiverse type thing, or if he did design it himself. Wonder if he's put it on Thingiverse. Not sure. 3D printing, the detail here, it's ultra fine. It's so smooth. One day I will succumb to the temptation and get myself a 3D printer and possibly a carbon dioxide laser as well, because they're very good. They've just never been more affordable. This is nicely done as well. I'm not seeing a huge pattern in this, in the sense that you might have thought it might have been done by raster. I'm not seeing a sort of raster pattern in it. There are slight patterns, but I wonder how it's actually done that. I wonder if it's just followed around the outline. You'd think it might scan backwards and forwards doing the raster, but it's very good. It's very neat. So yeah, that's a gift from Tom. It's very, very smart. I like that. I like it a lot.